Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a complete song using Suno AI. So here I'm at the website. Now once you're here to click on create on the left side. Now once you're in the create section, you can either enter your own lyrics for your song or you can just simply describe a song and click on this button right here and it will write the lyrics for you. I will go for the second option, so let's just do that. Rap song about hustles and hardships of life. And after that, click on this button right about. So here it has given me the two songs right here. Now let's just listen to the first one. Wading through the gutter, feet on fire, climbing from the basement, reaching high. So here was the first song. Now let's just listen to the second version. Tooth and nail, scrapping for the cheddar. Guts spill on pavement, trying to get better. So I like the first version. Now after selecting the version, click on the title of the song. And after that, click on the three dots right here. And after that, click on extend right here. After that, it will take you to the same interface, but if you scroll down, you would have this extra option right here. We'll come to that later. So just simply scroll back up. Now in here, you have to type in or paste the additional lyrics that you want to add in your song. Now after you typed in the lyrics, just simply type in at the top right here. Add these lyrics to the song while keeping the theme and the chorus the same. Now after you're done with that, scroll down, select the style of music, scroll down, and you can go for a title. I will go for a standard version. And this is the important part right here. It is basically the time from where the next sound or the extended version would start. So my lyrics in this version ends at about 2:30 and the rest is like a beat you can say. So I'll be extending from 237. You can choose it according to your needs and desires. Now after that click on extend. So here it has given me the two extended versions. You can listen to them both. So let's just listen to the second version. So this version exactly matches the theme of the original version. Now after you're happy with the extended version and you want it in your original song, which is this one, click on the three dots right here and after that click on get whole song right here. So here it has given me the extended version. You can listen to it and if you want to download it, click on this button right here and after that click on download. Select audio or video. I will suggest audio, so just click on it. And as you guys can see, my song has been downloaded. So that is how you can create a complete song using Suno AI.